What is the best group of pigs to start a pig farm? By Uimana Patrici. If many farmers fail in pig farming, it's not because they lack motivation, but because they started the wrong way. Have you ever heard someone say, "All my pigs died," or "I invested a lot, but I earned nothing"? The real problem isn't money or luck, it's how they began. Because in pig farming, success doesn't depend on how many pigs you have. It depends on how wisely you start. Today, we answer a question every beginner should ask. What is the best group of pigs to start with? This question may sound simple, but it determines the future of your farm. Starting without a plan is like building a house without a foundation. Starting with knowledge, on the other hand, builds stability, confidence, and growth. The smart start. The best way to begin is with a small group of 2 to 5 healthy pigs, 2 or 3 females and 1 male. Starting small allows you to learn carefully, monitor each animal, and reduce risk. For example, 2 or 3 sows and 1 boar are enough to create a solid foundation. Those first animals can become the root of your future success. Why choosing the right pigs matters. Health first. Choose strong, bright-eyed pigs with smooth coats and good appetite. Avoid weak, thin or sick animals. Good genetics. Select pigs with a known background, pure breeds or crossbreeds. They grow faster, resist disease better, and produce more piglets. Learn before expanding. With a small group, you have time to understand feeding, reproduction, and health management. Don't rush growth. Some farmers start with 10 or 20 pigs and quit after a few months. Smart farmers grow slowly, but steadily. Profit and growth. 3 healthy sows can produce up to 30 piglets a year. In just 12 months, your small group can become a thriving herd. Across East Africa, I've seen rural women who started with just 3 sows and ended up with more than 20 pigs after 1 year. Their secret? Patience, cleanliness, and good feeding. Pig farming grows fast, but it rewards those who care consistently. A family business. Remember, farming isn't only a job, it's a way of life. In many families, the woman takes care of hygiene and feeding. The man looks for feed or markets. The children learn discipline and teamwork. Pig farming can become a bond of love, unity, and shared purpose within a family. Conclusion. Starting small is not a weakness, it's wisdom. 2 to 5 healthy pigs, chosen wisely, can open the door to a bright future. Farming is not a race, it's a journey. Those who start small learn more, lose less, and succeed longer. So before you invest, take your time. Choose your first pigs carefully, because the success of tomorrow begins today with a smart decision.
From the soil of our dreams to the hands that never tire, we rise each morning with the sun, building hope, lifting fire.
Every seed we plant today tells a story in the clay. Faith and courage guide our hands, turning earth to golden lands. Angelica Agri, the life we share, where hope and wisdom fill the air. From mountain rain to fertile ground, we turn each challenge all around. Angelica Agri, the dream we sow, with courage deep, we help life grow.
every hand a future born.
From early dawn till golden morn. When the night feels long and cold, our hearts still guard the dreams we hold. Through every trial, every rain, we plant the faith that breaks the chain. Angelica Agri, the hearts we grow, together strong, our spirits flow. From sea to sky, from earth to then, we'll build the world again and
from the soil of our dreams to the hands that never tire. We rise each morning with the sun, building hope, lifting fire.
every seed we plant today tells a story in the clay. Faith and courage guide our hands, turning earth to golden lands. Angelica